Do you like a nice hot cup of hot chocolate on a cold fall or winter day? Me too. But what if you could eliminate all that sugar, add a little bit of spice, and everything nice? Then you definitely got to try my trio of hot chocolate sugar-free recipes. One is a combination of peppermint and gingerbread. Another is one that has a festive gingerbread taste. And our last recipe has huge pumpkin spice flavor. Perfect for you and your family to enjoy this holiday season and for those cold weather days that lie ahead. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take traditional and international food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our healthy, amazing recipes. Now it's time to create our homemade holiday sugar-free hot chocolate recipes. So let's get started.